sixth reason why you aren't feeling motivated to stick to your routine is you're dressing in your homeless couture. Okay. So when you go to the gym, you're just like rolling in there with like some sloppy wrinkled t-shirt and, you know, some stained yoga pants that you've had forever and your tennis shoes that you mow the lawn and you garden in, and you're just like, it's fine. I don't want anybody to look at me and I'm just going to roll in. Trust me, I get that. I was the queen of the Walmart sweatpants for a very long time, okay? But I'm going to tell you that even when you don't feel good in your body, there is something to be said about wearing workout clothes that fit your body well, okay? They don't need to be form-fitting and showing off anything. I'm not, like, if you're not comfortable showing your body, don't show your body yet, but wear something that you feel good in when you get to the gym that isn't going to distract you during your workout, right? Where you're just like feeling self-conscious. But there is something to be said about when you look good, you feel good, right? Like super, super important for just your mindset with going, right? It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You know, I gave some examples in the podcast, like a lot of our clients, like I'll see their outfits. I'm like, that is so cute. Where'd you get that? TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, one of those places. I'm like, okay, well, now I'm going to go and it's not going to be there. But just something to get you motivated and in the gym in something that makes you feel good. Now, I know what you're saying. Well, I'm not at my goal body yet and I don't want to buy clothes. Bitch, stop that shit right now. Okay. Go spend yourself $50 on like a couple cute things, few things that you can cycle into your current homeless couture that is going to make you feel good when you get in the gym, and give that to yourself as a gift of like, this is the body I have now. I'm going to celebrate this. This is a journey. This is where she's at. Okay. And we're going to dress her appropriately so she feels good going into the gym and getting shit done. And as your body changes, you can improve your homeless couture. Okay. My favorites, if you're like, I need some ideas. I have a few. I have 3 right now that I'm kind of in love with, 3 different brands. I don't have promo codes. I'm so sorry. Actually, I do have a link for one of them that I think saves you like 10 or 15%. So if you want to, let me know. But my favorite is Bombshell, Bombshell sportswear or whatever. A little bit on the pricier side, I'm not going to lie. It's a bit of an investment. However, the quality of their fabric is great. The thing that I find is being a woman over 40, I'm like, okay, like there's certain things, like I'm not with certain trends, with certain fitness trends or things that I'm like interested in wearing. And Bombshell has some of those kind of trends. However, they have really great quality fabric. It's squat proof. You can't see like your underwear when you squat. It's flattering material. So it doesn't, you know, like tighten and bunch up in like weird places. So anyways, Bombshell's my favorite. My second one it's called NVTGN. I think it stands for like, it's like an acronym for like navigation, but it's NVTGN. That's another fun one. And then a new one that I've just found and been trying is called Urban Athletica. So those are my 3 favorites. They're flattering. They have like seams in the right places. My biggest thing is I can't do Lulu. I can't do Athletica. I can't do, what's the other one? I don't know. There's another one that are like the bigger name brands that you'll see often, like, you know, at malls and stuff like that. I can't do those. I don't do a front seam. Front seam is not for me. So I like seamless leggings or leggings that don't have a seam in the front, because camel toe, she's not cute. We don't like that in this family. So there's that. Get yourself a cute outfit. Simple, plain, does not. Costco is even another place that has great, just basic leggings. If you're like, I don't want to spend a ton because I'm in the middle of a transformation or whatever, just get yourself some suitable ones, okay?